Okay, so it's very zoomed in because of my camera rig job, sorry for that. But I'm showing you, I just have like a grain square laying around. But it's gonna look like that, and then I'm using a different color to show you the strap. So I have done, I can't remember the number of stitches in the pattern, I think it's 4. So I did like little rows of 4 back and forth. And so I'm at the point now where I've just finished a row and it's on the wrong side. So you see your chalk bag is on the wrong side. And if you're not there, then just do one more row and get to this point. And then chain 1. And then what you're gonna do now is like bend it down. And you're putting your hook through the first stitch like you'd be doing normally. And then you're basically just finding a really strong spot to attach it to. And what I do is I go down into here and then back up, so it's like around a stitch. And then I yarn over and pull it through all of that. It's giving me a little bit of grief, but just pull it through, pull it through. You can choose to slip there all the way through, or you can finish it with a single crochet. It doesn't really matter. This actually is easier to just single crochet it on. So that's one, and it's attached now very securely to the base. So then the second stitch, there's stitch 3 and 4 right there. So this is the second stitch. And then I go into that space. Let me just see if I can show you really well. There. In, and then just back up. So I've got the stitch like on the hook kind of. And then yarn over. Pull it through all of that. Finish with a single crochet. Third stitch. And then here, down and up, yarn over, and pull it through all of that. And then the last one, and then you'll be here. There. Okay, so that is kind of like a little loop for your carabiner to go through. And it's attached real sturdy right there.